Today we will learn automatic marks tracking effect. We'll go to effect from here and then search for lower tree color. And I will give it on video. Next, we come to the effect controls. Next we will marks in the face. Give where you want to give. I did it on the face here. Once marking is complete, we will raise the feather. Here you can give any color. I can add contrast here. It's done. Before and after. Let's know the rule of automatic tracking. It's actually very easy. We will only turn the mask path. Tracking here will take some time. Masking done. Here is the automatic keyframe set. If you want to know anything, then tell in the comment box. If you like the video, please subscribe and like.